Hi, I'm Jack from SharpCloud, and I'm going to be giving you an overview of the data grid. By the end of this video, you should understand how to navigate to the data grid, what information is contained there, and how it's distinguished from other database connections or database options in SharpCloud. So we're looking at this aerospace innovation roadmap. The first thing I'm going to do to talk about the data grid is navigate to create mode so that we can find where the data grid is sitting. And where you get to the data grid is through the drop-down menu beside the story setup in the top toolbar in create mode. So if I select from this drop-down menu, you'll see I have this option to look at all data. If I click on that option, I'm brought through to this grid that can show me data organized by particular categories, like technologies and partners, or it can show me all of the data brought together. I can import data from a source such as Excel. I can export data into a CSV file or by copying it to a clipboard. And I can also get a sense of the different columns, maybe hiding columns that are no longer in use. If I want to, I can add or edit relationship data, and I can also make some changes to different resources, different images, and different panels. This is distinct from some other data mechanisms in SharpCloud. For instance, if I select this option for data connectors, that's going to bring me through to a setup where I can build connectors into other data sources. For instance, Excel, as you can see, is in use here. And also on any given view, for instance, if I jump through to a strategic landscape view, I can press this button on the right-hand side to see the data that is in use in that particular view. So just the items and just the attributes that are being used in that view. I can see that in create mode, in collaborate mode, and in read-only mode. For the data grid, I'll access from the top toolbar, specifically in create mode. So that's how you get to the data grid, what's in the data grid, and how it's distinguished from the other data use mechanisms that exist in SharpCloud. Thank you for listening.